We're back again for another review at our favorite Mexican restaurant, La Cascada. We're having our chorizo breakfast burrito. I have unfortunately already taken a bite, so I have already developed my opinion, but I'll do a bite for the camera. It's got beans and rice and eggs and potatoes and chorizo. Chorizo has a lot of flavor. I like the refried beans and the country potatoes. I'm gonna go 4 out of 5 on the breakfast burrito. And we'll see what Jose's got here and get his opinion.
So I love my steak and eggs, so I have my asada with, looks like eggs, cheese, tomatoes, refried beans, biscuit and gravy. All pretty good value. Let's check it out.
This is a lot more substantial than what I ordered as far as variety.
That's really good. So, the sauce is super flavorful.
Yeah.
Juicy. The mix of the eggs, cheese, tomato, everything's perfect. A1, 5 out of 5.
How about the biscuits and gravy? You take a little sample of those. Because biscuits and gravy is an art form.
Has that peppery kick.
Mm-hmm.
The biscuit, firm but soft at the same time. It's not soggy.
Mm-hmm.
4 out of 5.
Until next time, folks. We'll see you then.